Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Your search for a stylish and useful desktop organizer has officially ended because this beautiful piece will sit on your desk holding all the things that you need at hand, but also doubles as a little dry erase board. It is stylish and handy. I love having that visual of just writing things down that I need to remember, having that in view, but also being able to erase and reuse it. This is such a beautiful piece. The angle of the glass top makes it easy for you to see and also to use. The spacious compartment inside is divided into 3 different sections, so you can store a variety of different items in there that you may need right where you can grab them. I have very little storage on my desk, very few drawers, so this works really well to keep small bits for me to be able to grab. And that to-do list is so handy. I'm the kind of person that needs to be reminded visually, but it's reusable. You're not wasting anything because you can erase it easily when you're done, and that gives you a sense of accomplishment. So if you are in search for a beautiful piece that's going to help you get things done and also store some things on your desk, stop everything and get this one. It's beautiful, it's classic, and you're going to reach for it over and over. And that is my point of view.